Good morning, prep2. This is a new lesson, solving quadratic equations in one variable algebraically. Solving quadratic equations in one variable algebraically, like this equation, 5x plus 2 equals 7. This is equation for first degree because x is power 1 in one variable is x. Second equation, x power 2 minus 5x minus 6 equals 0. This is an equation for second degree because x is power 1 and power 2. We get the high power. Then we can say the equation of the second degree of one variable x also. The third equation, 2x plus 3y equals 7. This is an equation for the first degree because x power 1 and y power 1. But we have two variables x and y. For that we say two variables. This example, as we see this equation, x by x minus 3 equals 0. Then we have two solutions for x. Maybe x equals 0. For that we get 0. Or x minus 3 equals 0. Then we can say negative 3 to the other side with positive 3. Then we can say x equals 3. Another example, x plus 2, 3x minus 5 equals 0. Then we can say maybe x plus 2 equals 0. Then x equal negative 2, or 3x minus 5 equals 0. Then we can say x equal 5 over 3. Another example, x power 2 minus 5x minus 6 equals 0. Then we can say we have to make here first factorization by scissor, as we remember. We get x plus 1 and x minus 6 equals 0. Then we can say maybe x plus 1 equals 0, then x equal 1, or x minus 6 equals 0, then we can say x equal 6. Then we got the solution set, two values of x, negative 1 and 6. Another example, 2x power 2 plus 7x equals 0. Here we have to find out that we have HCF, x power 1 and x power 2. We get x power 1 with the lowest power as HCF. Then we can say x, open brackets, 2x power 2 divide x equal 2x plus 7x divide x equal 7. Then we can say x, 2x plus 7 equals 0. Then x may be equal 0, or 2x plus 7 equals 0. Then we can say 2x equal negative 7. Then x equal negative 7 over 2. Then solution set for x equal 0 and negative 7 over 2. Another example, x power 2 minus 6x equal negative 9. Negative 9, put it in the other side with the opposite sign, positive 9. Then we can say x power 2 minus 6x plus 9 equals 0, and make factorization by scissor. Then we get x minus 3 and x minus 3 equals 0. Then one of them is equal 0, then x negative 3 equals 0. Then x equal 3. Then the solution set equal 3. Another example, x plus 2 power 2 equal 25. Then we can make x plus 2 power 2. Then we can say two brackets x plus 2 and x plus 2 equal 25. We can make by the other way, first by first, first by second, second by first, second by second. Then we get x power 2 plus 4x plus 4 and 25 to the other side with the opposite sign, negative 25 equals 0. Then we can say x power 2 plus 4x, positive 4 negative 25 equal negative 21 equal 0. Then x plus 7 and x minus 3 by its factorization by scissor equals 0. Then maybe x plus 7 equals 0, then x equal negative 7, or x minus 3 equals 0, then we can say x equal 3. Then the SS equal negative 7 and 3. Another example, find in R the SS of each of the following. X minus 3 and x plus 5 equal 20, as we make before, first by first and first by second. Then we get x power 2 plus 2x minus 35 equals 0, and factorization by scissor. Then we get x plus 7 and x minus 5 equals 0. Then we can say x plus 7 equals 0, then x equal negative 7, or x minus 5 equals 0, then x equal 5. Then we can say SS equal 5 and negative 7. Another example, x minus 2 over x equals 7 over 2. We have to make multiplying for both of two sides for the three terms by 2x. Why by 2x? Because here we find 2 in denominator and x in denominator, and we have to remove them. Then we can make multiply by 2x. Then x by 2x equal 2x squared minus 2x by 2 over x by 2x equal 4, and 7 over 2 by 2x equal 14, equal 7x. Then we can say 2x power 2 and 7x to the other side with the opposite sign. But then we can say 2x minus 7x minus 4 equal 0. And by factorizing by scissor, then we can say 2x plus 1 and x minus 4 equals 0. Then we can say 2x plus 1 equals 0, then x equal negative 1 over 2, or x minus 4 equals 0, then we can say x equal 4. Then the SS equal 4 and negative half. Another example, x power 4 minus 10x squared plus 9 equals 0. By factorizing scissor, then we get x power 2 minus 9 and x power 2 minus 1. By factorizing for the two brackets by difference between squares, then we get x minus 3 and x plus 3, x minus 1 and x plus 1 equal 0. Then we can say x minus 3 equals 0, then x equals 3, or x plus 3 equals 0. Then we get x equal negative 3, or x minus 1 equals 0, then we get x equal 1, or x plus 1 equals 0, then we get x equal negative 1. Then the SS for the equation equals 3 and negative 3, 1 and negative 1. Another example, x power 3 minus 4x equals 0. Then we get x as a HCF with the lowest power, x power 1. Then we get x brackets x power 2 minus 4 equals 0. As we see, x power 2 minus 4 is the difference between square. Then we can say x by x minus 2 and x plus 2 equals 0. Then maybe x equals 0, or x minus 2 equals 0, then x equals 2, or x plus 2 equals 0, then we can say x equal negative 2. Then the SS equal 0 and 2 and negative 2. Another example, x power 4 minus 13 x power 2 plus 36 equals 0. Then we can make factorization by scissor, x power 2 minus 4 and x power 2 minus 9 equals 0. Then we get the values as we see for x negative 2 and 2, negative 3 and 3. Then we can say the SS equal negative 2 and 2 and negative 3 and 3. Thank you, prep2, for listening, and goodbye.